Welcome to the Maths with activity. Today we are going to learn about the plane. What do you mean by plane? Plane is a flat two-dimensional surface. Any surface is said to be the plane. Just like this a board. This is also a plane. Suppose I draw here a diagram. This is also a plane. That means plane does not have any specific shape. But in our study we have to use some specific type of the shapes, just like this is a square, this is also a plane, this is a rectangular plane. Just take another type of a surface. This is a circular plane. That means while studying you have to use the different types of a plane. Now what would be the name of this plane? We have to use the capital alphabets to indicate the plane. Just like this is a plane P. Suppose I name here, this is a Q plane. Let's say this is the S plane and this circle is a R plane. That means we can define the plane such a way that any flat two-dimensional surface is called a plane. We have seen that the line has infinite points. That means it is increasing toward both sides. Similarly, these planes are also no limit. They also increase to the all four sides. This square will increase toward the four sides. This rectangle will also increase. But this circle will increase toward the all sides. Now, what is the use of these planes? Yes, these planes can use to indicate some sets or some groups. In case of a parallel lines, in definition there is a two condition, and the first condition is that whenever two lines are in a same plane, that means suppose we take two lines, this line and these two lines are in a same plane and do not intersect with each other, then they are said to be the parallel line. That means to indicate the same plane we have to use such type of a plane. Similarly, you can use the plane to indicate the set or a group of a point. Suppose I said there are 5 odd numbers, first 4 odd numbers. To show or to indicate this, we can use the set, this set, or this is a plane. Similarly, suppose we have to use to indicate the points, set of a points. Suppose there are A, B, C, D, E and F. That means there are 6 points, and to show the group of these points we have to use the set. Hope that you will understand, and I hope you will subscribe it and share to your friends. Thank you.